In this video, I'm going to discuss with you the third question of database management system and its answer. This is the question number 3. The owner of the Rajapaksa grocery store has decided to buy software to make his day-to-day business easier. The owner of this store has entrusted to your organization to develop this software. Assume you are working as a software developer for this company and that you have been assigned to create a software database. Use Rajapaksa DB for the name in the database. Draw an ER diagram. So for this I used MySQL Workbench. Go to the file, new model, and double click on the MyDB. Rename the database as Rajapaksa DB and click the rename references, and you can see the database name has been changed. After that, double click on the add diagram and you can see this interface. Create a database table using the following data. So we have to create the customer, product and brand tables in this Rajapaksa database. I click on the table icon and double click on this icon. Rename the table name as customer and add the columns name, customer register number, first name, last name, gender and contact number. In here you can select the data type. This is the customer table. To create product table, I click on the table icon and rename table name to product and add columns product ID and product name to the product table. This is the product table. To create the brand table, I again click on the table icon and rename the table name as brand and add columns brand ID, brand name to the brand table. This is the brand table. Customers who come to this store can buy as many items as they like. The store owner says that all purchased items must be stored in a database with a record. Design the database accordingly. Use the ER diagram for this. In here, product can have one brand name and one brand can have many products. So it's a one-to-many relationship. Here you can see one-to-many relationship has created. Customer can buy many products and also product can have many customers. So it's a many-to-many relationship. I select this icon and click the customer and product table. Here you can see table has appeared named customer has product. Because in database the many-to-many relationships are not allowed. So it's become to a one-to-many relationship. To change identify relationships to non-identify, I remove the primary keys. I add additional columns like quantity, date time purchased, price. So this is the invoice table. To save this ER diagram as a database, we have to forward engineer this. Click the forward engineer and after that you can see this interface. Click the next button. Now the year diagram has saved as database. Here you can see the Rajpaksa DB which I have created, and also you can see the table names. So this is the answer of question number 3.